Okay, so these are handcuffs, and I've always wanted a pair of handcuffs ever since I was a kid. I mean, my friends used to play like cops and robbers, and we used to use like the metal kind that would break like after like one use and stuff. And these are real. They cost about $10 or $11 on Amazon, or you can just do the faster way. Go to like Spencer's in the mall, buy the fuzzy kind, and cut the fuzzy kind off. And of course, the police key is universal and it works like anywhere, so that's cool. And voila. Okay, so I'm about to cuff myself. Alright, can you see? See? Key out. Oop. Oh, come on. Uh-oh. Okay, come on now. This is not cool. Crap. Okay, here we go. Whew. I was getting scared there for a second.